more coupons added from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're here at the website from Harbor Freight. It says get your catalogs online. So we're just gonna go and click on this. All right, so we got the catalog. I know we're gonna, let's see, let's go back. Full screen. I'm gonna see if we can. All right, so let's see here. We can get a bigger screen here because I need to get a bigger screen for you guys. All right, so we got wall red tag bonus coupons just added. These are just added more inside. So we're just gonna go over the new coupons because they just recently added a few of them, and the ones in yellow are the new ones. So you got bonus coupons here: 4,000 or 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $449. And then you have the rapid pump 3-ton steel professional low profile floor jacks for $119. That's a good price. This is the low profile, so it reaches longer and it lifts higher. So just to let you guys know, I do have this one if you guys want to see the review and the video for that. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just go under Tool Head 147 Daytona floor jack, basically. You got the bonus coupon here, Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun, $8.99. Basically, it's like the Drill Master rebranded, so it's a great heat gun there. You got the bonus coupon, 1/2 inch Comps Pro Extreme Torque air impact wrenches with the 2-inch anvil, $99.99. Also, we do have the credit card. I don't know if you guys know, but you can take advantage of 10% off on your first purchase. Like if you're buying a big toolbox or something that's really expensive, you can save a lot of money with this plus 10% off. So that's not including the other coupons that you can find. So plus the 10%, that's a great deal, especially on your first purchase there. And after that, you get 5% cash back on anything, or you can, I believe, you get 0 interest for 6 months or 1 year, depending on what type of plan you guys get in there. Anyways, let's see here. So we got, let's see here, we got some batteries. These are great batteries. Definitely recommend. These gloves are great, guys. I use them for yard work or mechanics. These are great too. These carts, I have mine. Mine's a blue one. Works great. The casters are great. The steel is thick enough. Everything works well. The drawers, everything. So, all right. So we got some newer coupe. It says Braun. This definitely recommend this light for you guys. You got a creeper here, $19.99. I heard mixed reviews about this, tell you guys the truth. If you're a bigger guy, I wouldn't recommend this to you. This is plastic, so it might break on you. I heard mixed reviews out there, so just to let you guys know. $10 off any outdoor power equipment. So this is definitely a great deal. Here's the coupon. Alright, it says that's the coupon right there. And then you got the Chicago Electric variable speed oscillating multi-tool, $24.99. Let's see here. These are great tie downs, by the way, $6.99. Great. This is the 5% off on everything on future purchases. So you can get pretty much 5% off anytime, and then 10% off on your first purchase. Alright, let's see here. So we got just added bonus coupon. This is the heavy 3-ton steel floor jack, $89.99. I would recommend you guys get the one on the first picture, the one that's a low profile. Like I said, it does reach longer. If you got a lower car, or if you got a big truck, you need to lift higher. Definitely recommend that for you guys. We got just added bonus coupon, Pittsburgh 225 piece mechanics toolkit, $99.99. If you want something just to throw it away in the truck and pretty much have everything in there, this is a good kit. Me personally, I don't like these kits. I like to choose my own tools. I like to choose my own pliers, my own wrenches, sockets, everything pretty much, and put it in a tool bag and carry it with me. So that's pretty much what I like to do. All right, we got Movers Dolly here. 30 by 18 hardwood dolly, $11.99. It's a great torque wrenches. Definitely recommend these for you guys. You got Central Machinery. As a matter of fact, my brother has this. We just did some bar joints, or was it upper control arm bushings with this thing. Let me tell you, this thing's great. The only thing is that you have to be careful with the guide here up here. Sometimes when you put a lot of pressure, it tends to go this way. All you have to do is just remove the load and, pretty much put it back into place and you're good to go. But other than that, this thing's great. You got Badland 2,500 pound electric winch. This is mostly for ATVs, small cars, UTVs, $54.99. You got 20% off any chemical sprayer. So you got 20% off on that. This is a great light. As a matter of fact, I need to get this coupon and I need to go buy another one. I do have this light on the back of my house. I need to get at least 2 or 3 of these things because I have a big yard and it's real dark. So 500 lumen LED solar security lights. So it does have a solar panel. You can get it in black and white. I prefer black because it bakes with the sun. And if it turns black, it's already black. So white turns yellow when you bake it. So pretty much. Let's see here. Let's go to the next. And you got 80-piece Rotary Toolkit for $6.99. I mean, if you're gonna be doing small type jobs and work like that, DIY type of thing, that'll be fine. But if you're going to be doing this more often as a hobby and you're going to be doing it a lot, I would get something better. These wheel chucks are real nice. I use them when I do oil changes, all kinds of stuff. If you got a trailer and you need to put some chucks there, that's great for that. You got a 4-piece funnel set, 79 cents. They feel kind of cheap, to tell you the truth, but they work. Alright, you got a workbench here. It's a wood, hardwood workbench with 4 drawers, $119.99. Then you got a 12 by 12 microfiber cleaning cloths, a pack of 4, 99 cents. I do use a lot of these cut-off wheels. Haven't had any problems. Same thing with this 13-piece 1/2-inch drive deep impact sets. I use them a lot on suspension work and all that stuff. These are great. Definitely recommend these for you guys. I gotta buy another set because I lost my other ones. Pittsburgh 9-piece 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2-inch wobble set, $9.99. These are great, guys, but tell you guys the truth, if you put a lot of pressure on these or an impact gun, you're gonna break them. So these are meant for light duty use. If you want something heavier duty, go with some black ones like this that they sell at Harbor Freight. They are impact resistant or impact, rated. This is a great tool. Definitely recommend it for you guys. It's a breaker bar, so if you need something to break it loose, this thing's like ideal for that. Got a 4-piece anti-fatigue mat set, $6.99. Got a 40-piece 3/8 1/4 SAE metric socket set, $4.99. Definitely recommend this for a DIY or for somebody that, if you were gonna let somebody lend some tools, if you're gonna be carrying this on your truck, if you lose it, it's only $5. You got heavy duty foam kneeling pad, $3.99. It's a newer tool, by the way. You got some welders here. Alright, seems like that's it. I'm not going to go over all these because we already went over them on the sale that we did, or the video that we did last time. So that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.